Here is one of the hardest Edexcel trigonometry questions. Do you know how to tackle it? So a lot of these are quite hard because they don't necessarily look obviously like trigonometry. It's just having to figure out that you need to use it. So here we have a parallelogram. The area is given as greater than 15 centimeters squared. First of all, part A, we need to basically get this inequality. So the first thing is just using the context of area. For a parallelogram, we need to do the perpendicular height times the width. So we know the width is 2x minus 1, but we don't currently have the perpendicular height. So that's why we need to split up this angle. Obviously, originally it said 150. This side is 90, so do you see how this side would have to be 60? And then we have a right angled triangle there. So we can use trig to work out the height, or at least to find an expression. We have the hypotenuse, we want the adjacent, so that is cos. Because we want the adjacent, we need to do cos 60 multiplied by 10 minus x. Cos 60 is a half, so that's a half 10 minus x, which we can leave like this, or you can expand it. So to find the area, we would need to multiply this, which is the perpendicular height, by the width, which is 2x minus 1. And they said that the parallelogram is greater, so we'll put the inequality symbol that way around, than 15. Now we just need to expand and move things around until we get to the point where we've got exactly what they have. And I'm going to multiply by 2 so I don't have to deal with any decimals. And then move everything to the right so that we get the same positive x squared. And even though it's the other way around, it is technically exactly the same as what they've got. So that's part A. Part B is then to find a range of possible values of x. So we've used trig already. The second part is then just solving this inequality that is here. So I'm going to see if I can factorize it first and then solve the quadratic. Now we need to put the inequality symbol back in. Because the inequality symbol is facing 0, it means that we're going to have a range answer. So our x is going to be between these two values. So there's our final answer. X is between 5 over 2, which is 2.5, and 8. I would recommend just double checking that if you were to substitute in both values to these two sides, that they still come out as always positive. Otherwise, you might have to adjust one of the two values. In this case, they all still come out as positive, so it is absolutely fine to leave the answer as it is. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.